Happy Valentine's Day, baby! Happy Valentine's Day! It is Valentine's Day, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, it's our first Valentine's Day together as married couple.
Yes, it is. Because our channel is all about love life and kakiligan.
Kabaduyan, joke.
We decided we had to upload a video for Valentine's Day. Diba? Hindi pwedeng hindi. Diba, bebe? Oo, madidisappoint ang mga haters mo, bebe.
Hello, haters.
This is the first Valentine's Day we've had since we've been married, tulad sa sinabi ni Shanta. And we're just chilling at home today. We are celebrating being a mag-asawa. Diba, bebe?
Yeah, because I'm lazy to go out.
So what we did instead was we made a compilation of our love story from start to finish, ever since we started vlogging, diba, bebe? Do you remember the first video we made as a couple? So we've made a compilation from start to finish, and we're gonna play that song everyone keeps asking about. This song!
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling.
Yes, that song. Everyone keeps asking in the comments, ano po yung title ng kanta niyan? Kuya, anong kinanta ni Shanta? The name of the song is Love You by the Foreignoid Trio. Now, the Foreignoid Trio was my band that I was in before, a boy band. I'll probably make a video all about that boy band and all about my life in show business someday. Siguro next week na lang, baby, no?
Someday, next week nga yan.
Oh, next week na. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy this presentation. This is Valentine's Day.
Ma'am, kagi.
Oh, ulitin ka, ulitin ka.
Look. Ma'am, kako na naisip ko ba sa sige presentation? School. Like, pag may presentation kay may project. So, God.
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy this Valentine's Day special.
Happy
Valentine's Day, everybody!
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slow, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
I hope she likes this ring. I've gone through so much just to find this ring.
Home to mama, wanna spend forever in the day with you. I really, really wanna walk you down the aisle, put a ring on you. What you say I do?
Adina!
Dream come true. You are elegance and freedom, everything to me.
Ingat na pa. Iputan ninyo ang sing-sing sa hati-hati.
Iba mo sa ice cream.
Kinahanglan mo
Closer than your shadow, closer than you.
Hey!
Baby, let me love you. Love you. Yeah, just like the moon in the night sky. Your loving is surreal, baby, let's fly. Through eternity, go wherever, wherever. You and I through whatever weather. You're hotter than the sunshine in Manila, and what I have for you is forever. Siempre te quiere, mi amor. You'll be the only one I adore. I really, really wanna take you home tomorrow. Wanna spend forever in the day with you.
Shanta Marie Sapporo.
Wanna walk you down the
There is no girl in the world that is like you. You're beautiful, not only on the outside but on the inside also.
a dream come true. You are elegance and freedom. You're everything to me. Wanna spend my lifetime loving you. I'll be closer than your shadows, closer than you know. Just let me love you. I said it before and I'll say it again. The day with you
Shine so bright like the morning sun.
I really, really wanna walk you down the aisle. Put a ring on you. What you say I love you.
If you let me love you